Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my top 7 cocktails and review of the brand new Dr. Inks PhD aboard the Carnival Jubilee. Located in the brand new current zone of the Jubilee, we have Dr. Inks PhD. This is one of 2 new bars located in this zone. And if you want to know more about the other new bar in this zone, check out my review and top 7 cocktails at the Golden Mermaid. Carnival has done a great job decorating this area to help make it feel as if you were in an underwater oasis. This area does get very busy nightly with people passing through and stopping by to listen to Owen play some awesome tunes. Floating in at number 7, we have the Fish Dreams. This rum-based cocktail is mixed with mango liqueur, coconut puree, butterfly pea flower syrup, and white cranberry juice. Once combined, this cocktail had a light floral and fruity taste. Coming in at the number 6 spot, we have the Think or Sink. With its jalapeno-infused rum and spicy chipotle syrup, this cocktail didn't provide any heat, but it did give me a sweet taste from the orange juice, tangerine and ginger syrup, lemonade, and squid ink. Popping into the number 5 spot, we have the Ocean Bubble. The lime in this cocktail gave it a strong citrus flavor, while the blue carousel provided the sweet and the dark blue color. In at the number 4 spot is the Seahorse Glide. This cocktail with its whiskey, Di Serono, chocolate, and tobacco bitters reminded me of a classic old fashioned. When you stop past Dr. Inks, be sure to check out my guy Sebastian and tell him Travel with John Spade sent you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tours and reviews coming soon. The Snappin' Pop was my 3rd favorite cocktail at Dr. Inks. With Swedish fish infused vodka, maraschino liqueur, and Pop Rocks candy, this cocktail was definitely on the sweet side, but it was very smooth and enjoyable to drink. Appearing in the number 2 spot is the Vanished Beneath. The cotton candy was definitely the star of the show, but the vanilla vodka and the melon liqueur gave this cocktail a sweet and sour taste. Coming in at the number 1 spot is the Dr. Special. Made with rum, lychee liqueur, guava puree, lime and cranberry juice. This was a perfectly balanced cocktail that was fruity and not too sweet. And the printed image on top of the foam was a great compliment to this top tier sipping experience. Dr. Inks had some great cocktails that really worked well with the current underwater theme. I'd rate the cocktails at Dr. Inks PhD a 9 out of 10. Carnival's done a great job at really making you feel as if you were under the sea. I'd rate the decor and ambiance a 9.5 out of 10. Thanks for watching.